So this is Chris, and Chris has discovered his new word. What's your new word for the day?
G-rock.
Here's the original old timbers, probably cut off this property, but here they let it go to rack and ruin, and the roof is caved in, and there is no sheeting on the top. It's rotten. It's just falling down, and so our morning's work, we've put in some new supports. We've put in a new header on top of an old one, added in some cross piece which we've shaped like the original ones, and then we've tucked in behind that wall, and then we've connected that over there. So it's a good start to stabilize this roof. Sunday morning, we've reattached some of the siding that was loose along here. We're missing a couple of pieces, but we've attached what we've got. We've also stabilized the framing around this door. Now we're heading in because we have a problem with missing pieces of wood that have rotted out. As you can see over there, it runs 6 feet, 8 inches in the corner. Fortunately, we have in our packing pallets, we've got 6-inch wide lumber. We'll just pull out the staples, cut it up, insert it as a replacement. You need my blade. Maybe not. So on Friday we've got the skip coming, so we want to pull off every piece of extraneous sheetrock, insulation, wiring, toilet, bath, ceiling, whatever we can, so we can fill up the skip and be down to the old studs over here. So that's our goal. Get down to the studs and get everything else out. We do seem to find quite a bit of old clothing in the walls. So clearly they used clothing for insulation. What do you get?
It was in the newspaper whenever.
Ah, what year was that when they did a remodel? Okay, sports section, the Chattanooga Times. No date, baseball roundup, section G. Maybe we'll find some more. Ah, Thursday, May 1997. That's when they would have done a remodel here. Put in the bathroom. There we have it. So the old house used to have many layers of wallpaper, and this used to be somewhat of an archway, which then got closed in, which we've smashed out. And yeah, we're beginning to see some of what it used to look like, right? So when I pulled this old insulation out of the wall here, I also found this bit of lace, and stuck in the wall a child's bonnet with little embroidery on it, with a little dog embroidered on there, and a New Testament, and a jar for some strange reason. So here you go. So Jean is officially now a Tennessee redneck because we've got a toilet in the back of the gator. Okay, it's a historic moment. There goes the old toilet. Now we carried the old bath over. Next, that's going in. We're making progress. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Throwing the baby out with the bath water. Tons of wasps and rat poop. there's one on the other side where probably there was a stove or something going through back in the day. And maybe it goes down into the kitchen down here. We don't know. But critters have been living here probably, reading the magazines. Yeah. So we'll jack up this roof from the inside later. A later project, but it's doable. Brilliant idea. We've ripped out the ceilings, the sheetrock, and exposed the nice 100-year-old wood. Rick's checking what's going on in the floor. Either that or he's having a prayer meeting. I'm not quite sure. Good morning, cows. How are you doing? Came over, heard a bit of snorting. And it's a great day. We're going to be painting at the yellow house. Here's the big old bull. Yeah. Glad you guys have come to visit. Oh boy, licking your nose. I don't know if that's allowed. So this is our painter's tray for the day, and we're going to put it in a black bag, and that's what we're going to do. So we'll try to get this done and in, and then we'll just fold up the black bag, throw it away, and we're throwing this thing away anyway as well. So it's going in the dumpster. So today it's a painter's tray. Brilliant. Perfect. John and I bought, well, my fault, I bought Danish blue paint instead of Swedish blue for the Swedish farmhouse. So we've mixed up white with our Danish blue, which has extended our paint, and now we're going to paint what we're going to need for the house. And I've just realized I should have painted this yellow, but I painted it blue. There we go. So this is Nuvo Swedish blue to go with the Swedish farmhouse. This is our Swedish barn, right, John? Soon to be barn, and that's what we're doing. So, and then soon the house will be Swedish yellow again, yellow-ish. Yeah. So we've begun the process.
Going on here, and this ladder does not look safe at all. I think I need to go and help. So Brett is in there underneath the roof. These guys are working so hard to try and fix up this place so that it's not in such a crazy mess. Crazy men are working in the dark to finish off here with the lights from the car shining so that they can see what they're doing, trying to get the last lot of things into the dumpster before it gets picked up in the morning.
So we're working on the roofing, and I just nicked myself on something. So I don't see why Jean should be the only one claiming bragging rights on injuries. We all should have a turn. So Jean and Cole are now adding roofing contractor to their skill set. We're doing repairs to the roof. We already put a bunch of tile over here to prevent water coming through. Now we have to repair these pieces of wood, and Cole has got the honors of doing it on his belly. Okay, we're on. Let's do it. Okay, Cole, so let's take the second ladder, stick that over there. I'll work with this one, you work with that one. And I think what we'll do is, again, I'm moving on here. And you got screws with you, Cole? I got them. So we get a new Ryobi oscillating saw, which would have been handy about a week ago, but it's going to be handy now. Cutting off dead this and that.
So it's 2:30 p.m. and our open house starts at 4 o'clock. And these two amazing slash crazy guys are busy painting the side of the house because I asked that the old yellow house would look good for our open house. So I'm very grateful to Brett and to Jean. And here they are working away.